Hi guys, today we're going to do an easy chignon hairstyle hack. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. And now I'm just going to take a small section of hair above the ear and the same size section on the opposite side. And I'm just going to take these to the back of the head and join them together with a clear elastic band. Now I'm going to pop the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Next, split that ponytail in half, and working on the right hand side first, I'm just going to slip my fingers behind that little section we tied off, just make sure they're pointing downwards. Grab that half of the ponytail and pull it up and through. And we're just going to repeat that on the opposite side. So pop your fingers behind, facing down, grab the ponytail and pull it up and through. Next, take some spray wax. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and spray those ponytails and just brush it over with a soft brush just to give it a little bit more shine and to control any flyaways. Next, add a clear elastic band about shoulder height to that ponytail, but don't pull the ends through on the last turn, so you create a small loop. Now just take that loop, roll it under so it meets the back of the nape of the neck and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Then push the side sections towards the head and secure them with closed bobby pins. And do this on both sides of the head. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.